Good morning, students. I'm your computer teacher, and today we are going to see chapter number 5 using the computer mouse. Okay, so let's start. A computer mouse is a handheld device. It has two buttons, left button and right button. It also has a scroll wheel in the center. Okay, so here you can see this is a mouse. Okay, and we can use this mouse in our computer system. Okay, how many buttons it has? It has two buttons. What are they? First one is left button, another is the right button. Okay, you can see this two buttons. Okay, towards your left hand side there is a left button, and towards your right hand side there is a right button. Then in middle you can see there is a wheel type structure. What it is called? It is called scroll wheel. Okay, and this is the mouse. Got it? This is the left button, this is the right button, and in the center you can see there is one scroll wheel. Now this mouse is used with our hands. Okay, now next one we will see a mouse pad. What is a mouse pad? See here, mouse pad. This one you can see, this one flat one under the mouse. This is the mouse. Under the mouse this flat surface you can see, this one, this is our mouse pad. Okay, so let's read. A mouse is placed on a mouse pad. It provides a soft and flat surface to move the mouse easily. Why we use mouse pad? To move this mouse very easily we need a flat surface. So, and this flat surface is very soft, which makes the mouse to move easily. Now we will see holding the mouse. How to hold the mouse? Okay, see here, this one, holding the mouse. You should hold the mouse properly. The given picture shows the various parts of the hand used for holding the mouse. Okay, first of all let us see our left hand. Okay, see how, what, where is our left hand? Towards our left, isn't it? So towards our left hand is there. Here you can see this is the left hand. In our left hand we know there is one thumb, isn't it? This is the index finger, this is the middle finger, and this area is called the palm. Likewise we have a right hand also. Yes, so our right hand also has a palm, a middle finger, index finger, as well as the thumb. Okay, now how to hold it properly? First of all, using by using our right hand. How? See, this is the position how you hold the mouse with your right hand. Okay, towards your right there is a right hand. So now we'll see the description. For a right-handed user, we use the pencil with our right hand. Some use the pencil with the left hand. So those who are using with right hand, they use the mouse also with the right hand. Place your palm lightly on the mouse. Second one, put your thumb on the left side of the mouse. Third, put your index finger on the left mouse button. Then fourth, put your middle finger on the right mouse button. Okay, let us see. First of all, you have to place your palm You know where is your palm, isn't it? Under this area your palm is there. You have to hold the mouse very softly. Then comes the thumb. Thumb should be placed towards the left side of the mouse. Okay, then your index finger, this one is your index finger. You should place this index finger on the left mouse button, and this is your middle finger. This middle finger you should place on the right side of the mouse button. Okay, now likewise we will see if someone is using with the left hand. So what happens? For a left-handed user, first one, place your palm lightly on the mouse. Second one, put your thumb on the right side of the mouse. Third one, put your index finger on the right mouse button. And the fourth one is put your middle finger on the left mouse button. Okay. Again, we will see here. See if we are using with our left hand, what happens. Again, this is our palm. Under this is our palm. So we have to place the palm very lightly on the mouse. Then our thumb will be towards the right side of the mouse. Then this is our index finger. This index finger will keep it on right mouse button. Okay, on the right mouse button, and our middle finger we will put it on the left mouse button. Okay, is it clear? Now we will see mouse pointer. You have seen the pointer, isn't it? See here, the monitor, you can see this is a mouse pointer. Okay, let us see. Look at the monitor screen. At a small arrow is seen on it. It is called a mouse pointer. As you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer moves on the monitor screen in the same direction. Okay, what happens is with the mouse, when we use the mouse, it should be pointed towards the monitor. This is the monitor. Okay, you have to place the mouse towards the monitor, and you will be able to see that wherever your mouse goes, like left or right, in the same direction, this mouse pointer also this mouse pointer also moves. Okay, now we will see using the mouse button. Using the mouse buttons. A mouse is used to point at and select items on the monitor screen. Let us learn about the various mouse actions and their uses. Okay, so what happens is, what is the use of mouse? The use of mouse is to point something, okay, or to select an item. If I want to select something, I have to use the mouse. So now there are some uses of mouse. First one is for clicking. Clicking, this one is called clicking. Press and release a mouse button once. A light click sound is heard. This is called clicking the mouse. A mouse click is of two types. Now when you double tap or when you single tap on the mouse button, whether it is left or right, what happens? You will be able to hear a click sound. Okay, that click sound is called clicking the mouse. Okay, now again there are two types of clicking. First is, as I told you, left button is there, right button is there. In the same way, left click and right click are also there. So first of all, let us see what is left click. Press and release the left mouse button once. This is called left click. It is used to select an item on the screen. Okay, you can see this one is the left click. Okay, if you want to select an item, you have to click on left button of the mouse. Okay, now if now there is one more click, that is right click. Okay, so right click, press and release the right mouse button once. This is called right click. This is used to display a list of commands on the screen. Okay, if you see here, you can see this one is the right click. Here it is indicating the right click. Okay, so if you want to use right click, what is the use of right click? To display a list of command. What all commands are there in on the screen, you can see it by clicking on right button once. Okay, now what is double clicking? Double clicking, quickly click the left mouse button twice. It is called double clicking. It is used to open a file or a program. If you want to open any file or a particular program, what happens? You have to double click it twice. Quickly you have to click it twice. Then it is called double clicking, and by that only a file or a program will open. Now we will see scrolling. What is scrolling? You have seen the center wheel, isn't it? So that center wheel, now the use of central wheel we will see, that is called scrolling. Okay, see here, it's the middle of the mouse wheel is there. Move the scroll wheel on the mouse up and down. It is called scrolling. It is used to move a page up and down. If you want to move the page up and down, what you have to use? You have to use the middle wheel. Okay, that up and down movement in the mouse is called scrolling. Now we will see what is dragging. Okay, see here, DRAGGING, dragging. Keep the left mouse button pressed and move the mouse. It is called dragging. It is used to select one or more items on the screen. Okay, what happens is when you um, when you keep the left mouse button pressed, okay, press the left mouse button and then move the mouse. Don't release the button, keep it pressed, and then from one, if you want to move any item from one place to another place, so you have to keep the left mouse button pressed and then move the mouse. What will happen? The particular item from that direction will come to the another direction. Okay, on the monitor screen. So this is called dragging. Okay, students, we'll meet in our next class. Thank you.